Distinction students, 2024 GCE chemistry questions. This is question 3. How do you attempt such a question? So the question was saying the diagram shows the electronic configuration of the ion of an element M. So this is the diagram which they drew. Then they are saying that it has a 2 plus, then electronic configuration here. Now draw the atomic structure and write the electronic configuration of a neutral atom. So when they say neutral atom is an atom which has got the equal number of electrons, equal number of protons. So in other words, you say a neutral atom is the one which has not lost, it has not gained. A neutral atom is neutral, it has not lost, so say not lost, not gained, what? Protons, not lost, protons, and what? And electrons. So a neutral atom is the one which has not lost what? Protons and electrons. It is neutral. So the question is saying, this is what you have been given here. How do you draw atomic structure and write the electronic configuration? So we'll start with the electronic configuration of M. So we start with the first shell. The first shell has got 1, 2. So first shell has got 2, right, comma. The second shell, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8. The third shell, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8. Because of this here, it is showing that it lost 2 plus. So meaning we had 2 electrons in the outermost shell. That's the reason why it has a 2 here, meaning it lost 2 electrons in the outermost shell. So this is the electronic configuration. You draw the structure according to the electrons you have. You say the first shell has got 1, 2. The second shell has got, you say 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The third shell, 8, you say it's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the fourth shell, you draw it like this. You say it has got 1, 2. Without putting these, because it's a neutral atom. Once you indicate this, meaning it is an ion, it has lost or gained. So you leave it like this, meaning this is your answer. They give you 2 marks. Electronic configuration, and this is the atomic structure of the neutral atom. Now, the next question. Give the name, group, and period of the element M. So how do you check the name, number 1? How do you check the group? And how do you check the period? So for you to know the name, what you do, you go on the periodic table. They'll give you in every paper. So behind the periodic table there, you check, you count. How many electrons do you have altogether? You say, this is 2 plus 8, 10, plus 8, 18, plus 2, this is 20. So because they are electron, you go on the periodic table, you look for electrons, or the element which has got 20 electrons, like this element X, it's supposed to have 20 down here, 20 electrons. So when you go on the periodic table, you'll find the one which has got 20 down, it is calcium. Okay, so calcium is in group what? The outermost shell electron here, it tells you the group number. Outermost shell electron, it tells you the group number. So if we have 2 electrons, meaning it is coming from group 2 of the periodic table. The outermost shell tells you the group number. Then how do you check the period? To check the period, you count the number of what shells. You say shell 1, shell 2, shell 3, and shell 4. So in which period? The 4th period. How do you count the period? You count the number of shells 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this was in period 4. Alright, and the last question, distinction students, it was saying compare the reactivity of an atom M and ion. What's the difference between atom and ion of M? So number 1, this is an atom here, the neutral atom. It had a 2, right? Here. Then when it lost, it became stable by becoming an ion. So the difference is that atom M is unstable because it has not lost or gained anything. So because it's a metal, so you say atom M is stable because it has not lost electrons. While the ion M is stable. Why? Because it has lost 2 electrons. As you can see, the electronic configuration is 2, 8, 8. The 2 here, it has been lost. Therefore, ion is stable because it has lost, while atom is what? Is not stable, is unstable. So the reactivity, you say this one can react more because it's stable. It has room for reaction. It can react because it has not lost. While this, it cannot react because it is now what? Stable. All right, distinction student, this was question 3 of 2024 chemistry. See you in the other group. Make sure join the online classes for science and chemistry. We have another video coming. See you. Catch you there. Bye bye.